Hey guys, it's Kristen. Welcome back to my channel. I am making this quick video to share with you guys how to make the crushed seashell polymer clay earrings. Everyone is making them, so I wanted to show you guys how to do it if you were wondering. So to start off, you need some crushed shells. I actually have little packs of these in my Etsy shop if you're interested, and I will put a link to those in the description below. I use oven bake clay adhesive or Bake and Bond to make sure that the seashells stick onto the clay. So once I find the piece that I want to use on the earring, I dip the back of it into the oven bake adhesive or Scolby Bake and Bond, and then use the back end of my tweezers to kind of press it deeply or firmly into the clay. You don't want it to, stick through the back, of course, so be careful of that. But of course, you want it to be pressed firmly so they will stay there. After I have baked my earrings, I'm going to use my Dremel tool, which is linked in the description box down below. I'm going to sand up the edges just to make sure they're nice and clean. Then I'm going to use the acetone and a Q-tip to clean off the surface. This is my favorite hack for getting fingerprints or little pieces of lint or things out of your clay, or just imperfections and that sort of thing. So I love to do that, and then I'm going to get them, the holes drilled in them, and get them assembled. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I love the kind of natural and organic look that the seashells give to these earrings. It's just a nice touch. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you next time.